Hi, in an attempt, a very difficult attempt to keep things short. I originally said my videos are going to be 1 minute and they're going so much longer. I'm going to teach you vocab, places where you could be from, countries' names, cities' names. England, eNgilandi. Australia, eAustralia. eMelika, America. eJalimane, Germany. eHollandi, Holland. eFulansi or eFulansi is France. Then cities in South Africa that you'd want to use in your vocab where you're from: eThekwini, Durban. eMgungundlovu, Pietermaritzburg. I'm going to repeat that: eMgungundlovu, Pietermaritzburg. eKapa, Cape Town or the Cape. eBhayi, Port Elizabeth. ePitoli, Pretoria. And I'm sure you all know what Joburg is. eGoli, which is sort of city of gold. Then the prefix changes for some words, like but most of the cities you would just say and your city's name. If you're not sure what your city's name could be in Zulu, because like you realized eGoli is Johannesburg, hit me up in the comments and I can add that up. There's some exceptions to the rule other than You'd say oKhahlamba, Drakensburg. Ondini, Ulundi. Or KwaZulu Natal. KwaDukuza, Stanger, or like the famous place I grew up at, KwaSizabantu. That's vocab that you can use in a sentence if you're telling someone or asking someone where they're from, or someone's asked you where you're from. And if you have any questions about other cities, like I said, hit me up in the comments and I'll try to help you out.